Gone are the days when a traditional 9-to-5 job was the only way to make a living. Welcome to the new era of earning. A world where creativity and passion are the currency, and the internet is your marketplace. A world where you can be your own boss, set your own hours, and create your own success. This is the world of YouTube, a revolutionary platform that's changing the way young Pakistanis earn a living. From gaming to cooking, education to entertainment, there's no limit to the opportunities available. So, whether you're an aspiring gamer, a budding chef, or a talented teacher, YouTube has a place for you. Through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own merchandise, you can turn your hobbies and knowledge into a source of income. So, buckle up as we explore this compelling world of opportunities. Across Pakistan, young people are turning their passions into paychecks on YouTube. Let's dive into a few success stories. There's the gaming enthusiast who turned his love for video games into a popular channel, raking in impressive earnings from ad revenue and sponsorships. Then there's the home cook who shares her traditional recipes with the world, and now boasts a thriving online community and a lucrative affiliate marketing deal with a spice company. In the realm of education, a tech-savvy teacher has transformed his expertise into a well-subscribed tutorial channel. He not only earns from ad revenue, but also sells his own line of educational merchandise. These creators aren't just making money, they're making a difference, building trust and connection with their audience. Data shows that Pakistani viewers are more likely to buy a product recommended by a trusted YouTuber than from a traditional advertisement. The trust factor between these creators and their viewers is strong, and it's translating into serious earnings. These inspiring individuals have paved the way for future creators. They've shown that with passion and dedication, it's possible to turn a hobby into a career that not only pays, but also contributes to Pakistan's digital economy. They've proven that YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, but a compelling source of income and a gateway to financial freedom. Now you might be wondering, how does this all work? Well, let's unravel the mystery. First up, we have ads. Just like the commercial breaks on your traditional television, YouTube also has its own ad breaks. These ads are your golden tickets. Every time a viewer watches an ad on your video, you earn a share of the advertising revenue. Next, we have sponsorships. Brands can directly sponsor your content. This could be in the form of product reviews, shout-outs, or even dedicated videos. Then there's affiliate marketing. Here you promote a product or service, and every time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you get a commission. Lastly, selling your own merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, you can sell your own branded products like t-shirts, mugs, or even ebooks. As you can see, there are countless ways to monetize your talents on YouTube. Ready to take the plunge? Here are some tips to kickstart your YouTube journey. First and foremost, be authentic. YouTube isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about sharing your unique perspective and passion with the world. The more genuine you are, the more viewers will connect with you. Next, create compelling content. Ask yourself, would I click on this? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Don't forget to optimize your content using SEO techniques. Include relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will help your videos appear in search results and reach more viewers. Building an audience takes time. Don't get discouraged if your subscriber count doesn't skyrocket overnight. Consistency is key. Publish new videos regularly and engage with your viewers through comments and social media. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with a single subscriber. The digital revolution is here, and it's time for you to be a part of it. Embark on your YouTube journey and discover the immense potential that lies within you. Tap into your passion and transform it into a rewarding career that offers financial independence and fulfillment. Remember, there's a thriving community of creators just like you, waiting to welcome you with open arms. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner creator and start your YouTube journey today.